Recipe for a natural collagen cream. It smooths wrinkles, strengthens joints, and firms the skin. And making it costs just a few cents. The main ingredient is garlic, but don't worry, you won't smell it in the cream. You'll need 8 cloves of garlic. Peel them and place them in a small pot with 1 cup of water. Boil for 5 minutes. Garlic is rich in vitamins A and E, which nourish the skin, and it contains allicin, a compound that slows wrinkle formation and helps reduce existing ones. Let it cool, then blend the garlic with the infusion into a smooth paste. Strain it into another pot, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and mix until lump-free. Heat gently until you get a creamy texture. Divide into 2 portions. For the first, add 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of aloe gel, and 3 drops of lavender oil. Aloe moisturizes and soothes inflammation, while lavender gives a pleasant scent. Store in a glass container in the fridge. Use it on your hands, décolleté, and face to fight wrinkles, boost cell renewal, and improve elasticity. For the second portion, make a healing collagen balm. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and your favorite essential oil. Honey reduces inflammation and speeds up healing. Store it in a glass jar in the fridge for up to a week and apply it cold to aching joints. Garlic also contains sulfur, which stimulates the body's natural collagen production. This recipe is a natural alternative to chemical collagen creams and costs only a few cents to make. I rub this into my hair before every wash, and my hair is strong and shiny as if I had an expensive salon treatment. No more hair loss. This homemade mask is all you need. To prepare it, take 1 ripe avocado. Avocado deeply moisturizes, nourishes, and rebuilds the hair structure. Cut it in half, twist, remove the pit with a knife, score the flesh, and scoop it out with a spoon into a bowl. The next ingredient is olive oil. It regenerates, strengthens the roots, and adds a beautiful shine. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also add a little honey for softness and elasticity. Mash and mix everything until smooth and creamy. Your natural mask is ready. Apply it from roots to ends. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash your hair as usual. The result: hair that's nourished, smooth, shiny, and silky, soft. Just like after a professional salon treatment. With regular use, it becomes stronger, and you won't be picking up strands from the floor or your brush anymore. Spread VapoRub on a pad. This hack has surprised thousands of people. The secret lies in a simple combination. Take a small pot and pour in about 2 cups of water. Once the water starts boiling, carefully place the container of VapoRub inside. Let it boil for about 2 minutes until the ointment melts into a liquid mixture. VapoRub contains menthol and camphor, which create a warming effect while giving a refreshing, cooling sensation. Now take out 1 sanitary pad from the package. The pad absorbs moisture perfectly and holds it inside. Coat it with the melted VapoRub mixture. Place the prepared pad in the freezer for about 2 hours until it hardens and cools completely. After that, stick it to the bottom of your foot. The chilled pad with VapoRub works like a natural compress. It soothes tired feet, refreshes, reduces the feeling of heaviness, and cools pleasantly. Thanks to the menthol, it gives a sensation of lightness and relaxation. It's a great way to feel better after a long day on your feet. Anti-aging mask that will surprise you. It tones and eliminates wrinkles. Your skin becomes silky smooth because of it. This mask is extremely effective. To make it, you need bananas, or more precisely, the peel of 1 banana. It has properties that will rejuvenate your skin. Chop it finely. Put it in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. It prevents premature aging. Pour in 200 milliliters of water. Boil it all for 10 minutes. Rice with banana also brightens the complexion perfectly. Then transfer the rice with banana peel to a blender. Blend it into a smooth mixture. Transfer it to a bowl and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's perfect for discoloration and pimples. It also contains a lot of vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. It cleanses and moisturizes the skin. Also, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It absorbs excess oil for oily skin. Mix everything thoroughly and transfer it to cream containers. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for several minutes. Tannins in banana peel tighten and tone the skin. Banana peel is an ideal cosmetic for acne-prone skin, but in combination with other ingredients, it is universal for different skin types. After using it, the skin is smooth, tight, and free of wrinkles. You can store this mask in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, it's best to use it regularly every day until you finish it. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.